Well, yesterday, Kong, the Senate finally convened itself as an impeachment court without any delaying tactics that many or the public feared. And kayo po personally, you said that you were surprised that they proceeded to convene as an impeachment court. Why were you surprised, Kong?
Well, that's because yesterday, even during the weekend, meron tayong naririnig na rumors ng pagkakaroon ng pagbabago muli ng Senate leadership. Meron tayong pangamba na makakaapekto ito sa proseso. Sa punot dulo naman po ay nag-convene ang impeachment court and inaasahan natin na kung anumang pagbabago or even gulo sa Senate leadership, hindi po nito maaapektuhan or hindi dapat nito maaapektuhan yung proseso ng pananagutan. No? Ang panawagan naman natin ay dapat magtuloy-tuloy ito at hindi maantala, hindi magamit yung political intent or numbers para makamit ang isang motion or vote, but rather lahat ng ebidensyang nakapresent ay mabaybay natin, makita, we parse through them without trouble.
Pero Kong, now that the Senate has formally convened as an impeachment court, are you more confident now that the trial will proceed more smoothly, or may mga pangamba pa rin po kayo na posibleng magkaroon ng delaying tactics dito?
Well, may confidence na tayo na at least yung number one biggest hurdle ay we surmounted it already. If we remember during the 19th Congress, it is exactly this hurdle that it is exactly at this point na tumigil yung proseso. Nagkaroon ng oath-taking, may mga robes na sinuot ang ating mga senators kasi magko-convene na sila, pero dinelay nila yung convening of the impeachment court itself on a different day, and then the Supreme Court released its decision, and yun yung naging trigger for the Senate to actually archive the impeachment complaint, or rather the articles of impeachment. So at least yung pinaka-unang hurdle na yon na hindi natin na-surmount ng 19th Congress, tapos na. Pero andyan pa rin yung maraming steps involved sa process ng pag-go through the evidence, yung paggalang doon sa 10 days for the answer of VP, 5 days for the reply of the House Prosecution Panel, na at every step of the way, inaasahan natin yung mamamayan na alam yung proseso, alam yung mga red letter dates para sila mismo yung makaantabay at syempre makapagbigay pressure doon sa paano susundin ng Senado ito.